Hey YouTube, after watching several of my videos, I went out and bought a tripod. I watched the videos and I was wondering why people aren't watching them very long, and I figured out, well, they're getting seasick. So I bought this tripod. It's made by Fugetek, shipped out of Houston, Texas, but it's made in China. It's got the normal mount. I don't know what that's called. I know the camera buffs will know, but it tilts back and forth like this. It extends fairly easily. It's the extension height is, it says 1.3 meters, so I think that's about 4 foot. I'll put a description in my or I'll put a link in my description down below. Sorry about that. This was $24 or $23.99, available on Amazon Prime. So far, the construction is good. The one thing that I didn't like about it is the legs aren't levelable. So it's got to be on a flat surface. I think if I had known that, I might look somewhere else. But as far as just a cheap desktop tripod, this isn't a bad way to go. But then again, like I said, the levelable legs would make it a little bit better. That's all I got for today. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you would, hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I'll have some more videos that you're interested in, and leave any comments or questions if you have any. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. W7 MVP out.